Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Quadratic equation. If alpha beta be the roots of 4x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, find the value of alpha square by b plus beta square by alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Step 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. So step 2, we get the value of expression alpha square by b beta plus beta square by alpha is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha beta, adding the two parts. So in the next step we get alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta by alpha beta by applying the formula. So in step 5 we substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. We get 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1 by minus 1 by 4. So we get the value 1 plus 3 by 4 divided by minus 1 by 4. So we get 7 by 4 into minus 4 is equal to minus 7. If alpha beta are two roots of the equation x square minus px plus 4q is equal to 0, form the equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Step 1. As alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus px plus 4q is equal to 0, alpha plus beta is equal to minus p is equal to p and alpha beta is equal to 4q. Step 2. The roots of the equations of the to be evaluated are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Sum of the roots alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta is equal to p square minus 8q. Products of the roots is alpha by beta into beta by alpha is equal to 1. So in step 3 we get required equation is x minus p square minus 8q by 4q x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 4q x square minus p square minus 8q x plus 4q is equal to 0. So we get this multiplying both sides by 4q. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.